Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 17th of May. Thank you so much for coming back here. Thank you so much. And Dobra jutro, Caro. Hi Marcus. Hi JJ and Joshy Boy. What's good? When I see you, everything is good. Hi Hubert, Sabrina. Thank you so much. Hi Riano, Roger. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Alright, so today seems like a little bit excited, huh? Yeah. Alright, yes, we see that the pound dollar has been dropping since yesterday, and a very nice drop. Okay, so hi guys, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Okay, so what's good now? Alright, hi, it's Merry Christmas here. Well, let's wait for Merry Christmas. Okay, yes, and we have friends from the other side was asking, yeah, is Merry Christmas here today? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, so first of all, let's go with some analysis. Okay, we quickly take some time to see what's good. Okay, over here, right. Today, I hope I get my guys here to actually tackle my bandwidth issue. So hopefully everything is good. By listening to the sound, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep, and let's see. Okay, at the same time, let's check. Well, for Aussie Cat, I think yesterday we were talking about Aussie Cat. Yes, yesterday the Aussie Cat dropped, good drop, and now we are still coming into one level for Aussie Cat. As we can see, we are very near to this level, 0.89474. Okay, so this level we are very near to the support. Yes, yesterday I picked up the Aussie Cat, but today I'm not going to. The reason behind is because, okay, it's because we are very near to the support. Although it's still in the selling, but I'm not going to take it because unless it breaks the support, then maybe we will take a look later on. If not, definitely I'm going to skip this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right. Sorry guys if you hear something at the back. I think this is something natural. It's thunder. The thunder is roaring like a lion, so I can't help. I can't help that. All right. So at least today, nobody is drilling his knees. Okay. Okay. So let's quickly move to Aussie franc. Aussie franc, we still have Aussie franc. Okay, we still have some. Okay. Wow, that scared me. All right. Yeah, so let's take a look. Okay, and yeah, let's see. Okay, Aussie franc, we still have some space down there. Okay, we still have some space there. Okay, and let's see if that will help. Okay, let's see. One here, about 83 pips, looks pretty good. Okay, thought somebody released bull pressure. Okay, so for Aussie franc, okay, Aussie franc we still have some space since it's now still in the trending. Okay, so looks like this area here, we are going to take note about this liquidity here is taken out. So once it breaks through this area here, I see that there's still good chance there. We still have about a 20 with we're going to face a turbulence there. We still have one liquidity that has not been taken out over here, which is about 40 pips away. All right, so I will see that. Okay. But okay. Yes, Joshy Boy, looks and sound much better than it did when I was in here like a week or two ago. All right, thank you very much, Joshy Boy. Yep, I'm working hard to make things looks better each time. Well, never in my theory, in my analogy, there's never the word called best. There's only better. So I always seek for improvements. So do let me know. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, So yes, once again, once again for Aussie yen over here, as we can see, is at the trend here is actually escalating upwards. We can see the trend is actually moving downwards. Am I right? But in this, for this wave here, all right, we are actually going to challenge this area here. We are going to challenge this area here. That is why you can see that we can see the a higher low has been moving towards the north. But of course, along the way, there are some resistance that is actually being an obstacle here. Okay, so we will see how it goes. But from yesterday until now, Aussie yen has been hovering around 97.51, and it is still not breaking through. So if of course if this breakthrough, I will be very happy to see that we should have about a 70 pips of space, right? A 70 pips of space there waiting for us. Okay, about 65 to 70. Okay, about 65 to 70. So 9102 may be one possible one that Aussie yen will be looking out for. So we are very close to breaking out of 97.51. So let's wait for this to break below. Then I will be looking out to sell first before it needs the support to push even higher up. Okay, so that is one. All right. So for this for Aussie yen, okay, I will put this in, okay, as a selling here, okay, but it must break 97.51. Okay, all right. So for Aussie Kiwi over here, Aussie Kiwi, yes, Aussie Kiwi at this point here, we are still around here. We are still very near to the support. Am I right? Okay, skip this. No point waiting for that. It's going to be a waste of time. All right. So for Aussie dollar, we are consolidating here. So looks like we still looks like today is coming down to take the support, which we have about 40 pips to go. I guess this is this should be quite good. All right, so we can put this in. It's not because of Aussie is very weak. Okay, it's I think more onto more towards the dollar is strengthening. All right, so that's one. For Euro Aussie, as we can see, is actually moving towards the north. So right now, as we can see, the trend is still in the bull. So buyers can take note, but seller has to stay away. All right. Okay. So for EuroCAD, we are sitting on the support nicely, still waiting for it to break. Seems like it's going to break. Seems like. Okay. So still waiting. Okay. Still waiting for a while. I think we still need some time for it to continue the selling. Okay, so that we can see that if we have some point here and one level here. Okay, so pretty this is one turbulence area here, about 20 pips away. In total we have about 48 pips. Looks good as well. Okay, so let's see if this will able to break this area here, so that it can continue to go down, so that we can take this area before it actually have reclamation. But okay, if we actually looking into general, okay, we're looking into general, right? So I will say that at the moment over at this point here, right, I would say that the support is actually pretty strong over into this area. Okay, so when the price comes to this area of 145.924, okay, then we should be a bit careful. We cannot just still be holding the thoughts that it will still continue the selling. Okay, all right. So a temporary selling down seems like it's coming to one end. Then we still need to be careful. But I will still put this EuroCAD into my watch list. All right. Okay, so let's move into Euro Yen. All right, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over here, Euro Yen, we can see we are still in the bull. All right, it's not breaking out the structure. The buying structure is still very strong. The bull is still running. So for Euro Yen, I see that the buying is still possible. Okay, so buying is still possible. If this breaks, if they breaks this resistance to form up another support, highly likely I will be looking out into this level here. All right, so this level of resistance, we still have a lot of pips to go, about 90 pips to go. So at the moment, okay, let me place this resistance here, so to see if this is able to hold it down or to continue the breaking. But if it is holding downwards for selling, I will still suggest to wait for a while. Okay, I will still suggest to wait for a while, because more onto the buying. Okay, the bull is still running. Okay, so I would prefer not to. Okay, so for Euro Kiwi, all right, let's see, Euro Kiwi. Yep, Euro Kiwi over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Well, for Euro Kiwi, okay, Euro Kiwi over here, we can see we are still in the bull. Breaking out of this area here, I'm waiting for this to broke out. Okay, it's broke down. Then we can continue the selling. However, it seems like it's being supported. It went up, but it's being resisted once again. All right, so from here to this area about another 200 pips. From here to up there about 100 pips. So more or less, I think we are stuck somewhere about 75% for the buying. Okay, so in that case, all right. So in that case, you can see, all right, you can see, when we are stuck in between over here, all right. Then first of all, I will be looking out the trend. The trend is a bull trend, so I'll be more or less, I'll be in my mind, I'll be looking out into buy. So let's see if there's any buying opportunity, right? So over here from the support, these are the key levels that we are looking at, the support. And you can see it's a very clean traffic on the left. So we need to break the support level here. Okay, it's now showing, okay, within a day, okay, we can see that. Now, we can see that it's actually trying to break the support, this area, to continue the selling, all right, about 60 pips, okay, about 60 pips. So if let's say we can break the price of 1.73953, 173.953, then we'll have a good chance for the selling. Okay, we can keep that under observation. Okay, if that under observation is good, okay, then we'll be looking into. Okay, I'm back. Right. Yes. So over here, unfortunately, I guess the bandwidth is still not that stable yet. Okay, we'll try our best. Okay, I'm gonna fix it out again. All right. So once again, over here, you can see, okay, for the euro dollar seems like yes, we have been talking about euro dollar for a few days. That is actually coming in, the bull is running in, right? But it seems like it's actually coming into the transition from the bull into the bear. Okay, from the bull into the bear. So right now, as we can see, now we have about 75 pips away. Then I think that's quite good, right? So by testing into this area, we can look at the structure here. We are in the trending. The trending is running good. Then over at this point here, all right, okay, yeah. Then over here. Sorry guys, let me check out. Okay. Okay, so over at this point here, we can see euro dollar, right? We have tested into this level here. Okay, we are testing into this level here. So this level over at this point here, we can see it forms some of the resistance. If it had tested on the resistance over at this point here, then it will continue to go down. Okay, but of course, by looking into this area here, we have one level. Okay, which this part here, this area, this moving up is to take out the liquidity and balance out the market there. Correct? Okay, so in this case over here, right, we are actually trying to break this level. Once we break this 1.08490, we will have very good chance. Okay, we have very good chance to continue the selling downwards for about a 50 pips. So euro dollar is something that we can take note. Okay, something that we can take note over there. Okay, yep. All right. Okay, euro dollar. That's one. Okay, so for pound Aussie, let's take a look at pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, same thing. We are still in the bull, and the pound Aussie is still moving towards breaking out of the resistance level from here. Let's see if it's going to retest back and then going to move forward. Move towards another higher resistance over here. All right, then buyers can take note, but the sellers have to stay away as of now. Okay, yeah, very clear cut. So Powcat, let's take a look at Powcat. Well, for Powcat over here, we can see Powcat is in the bull. It has been running for a few days and finally it started to slip off, correct? Okay, we can see this area here, correct? We have been talking about this Powcat. I won't be trading until it breaks out of the area. Finally, okay, one good thing, it breaks out and now it's coming into this area here, retest and coming back again for the selling. Then of course, will that be one level that is there any level that we should be taking a look whether it should be good to continue the selling? All right, it should be here. Okay, it should be here. It should be good to see that about 75 pips continue the selling. All right, so this is one point here that we can pay attention to Powcat. Okay, the selling can be still ongoing. All right, so that's one. Okay, Powcat. Okay, so that's one. All right, for Powfranc, well, Powfranc very straightforward. I'm going to skip this because it's still in this range, and I have nothing to talk about it. We are stuck. Okay, basically we are stuck in that area. Okay, basically we are stuck in the area. So no. Okay. Now Pow Yen, let's take a look. Pow Yen. All right, it's high secret. You're talking about Pow Yen for selling. Okay, so let's see for Pow Yen. Well, Pow Yen, we are in the bull. All right, we are running in the bull. Okay, after that retesting now into the resistance. All right, I'm back. Okay, I'm very sorry. Yeah. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. Okay, so once again, yep. Okay, once again. Okay, let's see. For Pow Yen, okay, Pow Yen. Now we're talking about Pow Yen. So it's in the bull. We retested the resistance. So over at this point here, the resistance is being tested now. Seems but because we are in the bull, correct? So let's see if this is going to have a pullback. So today, if Pow Yen we are selling, remember we are going to pull back. Okay, we are going to have a pullback trading here. So from the resistance all the way down to this area here, it's still the same area. Okay, 83 pips. We still have a good space down there. So for Pow Yen, if we are selling here, do take note we are having a pullback here. Okay, this is 143 and all the way down to 86. Okay, so this is one level for Pow Yen. This one we can sell, but we need to be a little bit careful. Okay, we need to be a little bit careful because this is actually pullback trading. That means we are trading against the trend. Okay, we are trading against the trend. So that may go slow. And once the reversal comes in, it can bounce back very, very harshly. Okay, so just be very careful about Pow Yen. Okay, all right. Good space, I will say. Okay, the space is pretty good. Okay, and there's a lot of liquidity down there to take. Okay, I will just put it in, but guys, you have to be very careful with that. Okay. Okay, so over here. All right. Okay, so yep. Now for Pow Kiwi, let's take a look at Pow Kiwi. Pow Kiwi is we are still trying to break the structure and it's still retesting the support down here to break this structure here. Okay, so let's see if there's a chance there. Looks good to sell. We still have a lot of pips down there to take. Okay, so it's about a 90 pips there for the Pow Kiwi. Also looks good for the Pow Kiwi. Right, so tentatively I would say Pow Kiwi it should be good. Okay, but there's one point that we need to take note. If we are able to break this level, okay, which is about 20 pips away. Yeah, about 20 pips away. 199.541. If this is able to break below, then we will have a good chance to sell down all the way. Okay, to take this area of liquidity here, which is about 198.807. Okay, so your Pow Kiwi can be quite good. Okay, but we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait for it to break this area here, which is about 1, 2. Sorry, let me see. Sorry, my bad. Pow Kiwi 1.99905. Looks good. Pound Kiwi, it should be looking good, right? To sell. Okay, so let me go down furthermore to check, making sure it's correct. Yeah, Pound Kiwi. Okay, okay, yeah. Yes, Pound Kiwi, it is looking good to sell. Okay, Pound Kiwi. Alright, so later we'll come back and analyze it, okay, furthermore. Okay, so for now, as of now, okay, let's see for the pound dollar. Right, for pound dollar, yes, some selling off over here. So don't chase the low, remember guys, okay, don't chase the low. Right, so for the pound dollar, we are actually coming into, it's still around this area here. Okay, I'm still looking forward to see pound dollar to clear 127. Okay, but not yet. And it's starting to swing down to test onto the support over at this area here. All right, so we can see that now trending market is coming in, retest the resistance and hold it nicely as what we planned yesterday, right? So now it's coming back here to take the liquidity. Seems like it's taken out. Okay, seems like it's taken out. So over at this point here, okay, but it actually comes in to take the support before it actually go further up. Okay, before it go further up. So looks like we still have a chance. Okay, looks like we still have a chance, but just hang on for a while. Okay, but we are left with let's say here to here we are about 23 pips away. Okay, 23 pips away. So do remember to wait for a new cycle of selling, then we sell. Okay, for the pound dollar. All right, but this may be the last round. Okay, this may be the last round for the pound dollar. So do be careful. Okay, please be careful with that. All right. Okay, dollar CAD. How about dollar CAD? Well, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD yesterday in a New York session has a very good, nice drop. Okay, so after it went up a bit and after that it came in. Okay, so I think that's quite nice. Okay, but today I won't be looking into dollar CAD because it will be supported and still moving towards the north. You can go for the buy. Buyers can take note. Okay, we are still looking out into 135,665, 135,665. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so dollar franc. Let's take a look at dollar franc. If you're asking me dollar franc, I think this is going to console a little bit here before it actually take off. But a higher chance of taking off. Okay, so I'm not going to take this. I'm going to skip this. All right. Okay. Hi MK. Hi Wasip. Nice to see you here. Right. So again, we are looking into this. Here. So dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Generally over here, and it's still coming to test the resistance once again. Okay, so trying to push further up to test the resistance. So let's wait for dollar yen to test the resistance. Okay, to meet up with the resistance before we very bad connection. I'm so sorry guys, I'm very sorry. Okay, Zoom is okay. Okay, why not put everybody into the Zoom? Okay, yeah, maybe. Okay, I think let's see. All right. Yep, and once again, okay, over at this point here, okay, just now we are talking about the dollar yen, right? So dollar yen over here, have to wait for it to test onto the resistance 137,802. Okay, be patient. We are just only about 15 pips away. Okay, so it's getting very near. All right. So in general, okay, let's see. General, we are actually moving towards the north to take the resistance, to test the resistance. So let's see if this is going to test the resistance over here. Okay, then we will be able to see how it goes. Okay, about 100 over pips to go, huh? Alright, it's still 100 over pips to go. So it seems like it's still very good space down there. Okay, so let's see. No, not really there. 100, about 50, 49 to 50. Okay, so for buyers can take note, this will be 1. Okay, this will be 1. So just take note of that. All right, just take note of that. Okay, take note of this. But seller tentatively, we have to wait for 137, 172 around there to take the price. Bitcoin, let's see, we are coming down to 26.9. Okay, we are dropped some. Okay, so I think 26.9 is still quite safe. Okay, we can still keep it going. Alright, as for the goal wise, okay, we can see, okay, 1998 yesterday we broke that 1998 and came down to 1988. Okay, Caro, I hope I hope I didn't disappoint you. 1988, yeah, I was a bit way too downwards that I'm looking at about 1988 yesterday. So well, nevertheless, since today it hits on the 1988, okay, it seems like we have taken out some key levels and it's getting ready. It's getting ready to go for some support. Okay, that means to say it may still go down a little bit more to set up a new support before it goes up. Okay, before it start to shoot up. We still have a lot of liquidity up there to take. Okay, so for 2012, we are looking into this area. Okay, there's still good chance there. Okay, there's still a good chance there to take. All right, so about 2001. Okay, that will be the first stop. Then after that 2007, then I'll be looking out into level of 2013. Okay, 2013. All right. Okay, so that's that should be all for now. Okay, let's see what do I have here. Okay, yeah, and what do I have? Okay, yes. Okay. Okay. Well, so let's take a look at our pound dollar. Maybe we can take a look. Pound dollar is the last one, right? Okay. Yeah, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Yep. Pound dollar. Yep. Okay. Yes. All right. Pound dollar. Over here. Yeah. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. We can do this. So cute, huh? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I should accompany with this sentence. Saraheyo. Saraheyo. Okay, yeah, alright. Thank you for coming in. Okay, and for pound dollar, okay, tentatively will be coming in here. Okay, let's see. We can take a look at pound dollar over here. When it started to swing down, okay, it started to swing off this way, right? And be looking into this level. Okay, we can look into this level here. Right. Will it actually continue the selling here? The point is that will it continue the selling here? Right. The low has been taken out over here. It seems like we are going to take the mid line here. Okay, so about there. Okay. So this is the area here. Okay, so we can take a look. Okay, so from here to here, about 40. Okay, so in this range here, so I'm waiting for this actually to come into this level to test into 124.719. If 124.719 able to hold it, then I think there will be a good chance. There will be a good chance that the selling may comes in once again. Then we can have this space to trade from here to here about 20 pips. But of course, for buyers, if this breaks above, retest to set up a support up there, then there will be a good chance it will continue to go up. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, good. Yep, okay, so that's for the pound dollar, right? So let's see if we have something else. Okay, we can take a look as well. Pound yen, let's see. Okay, pound yen. Pound yen still on the way. Okay, we're still waiting for it to test into the resistance up there first. Okay, so there's still quite some space there. All right, let's wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for a while because we are still waiting. We are still waiting for this to actually clear off this area. Then before we actually can take a write down. Okay, that's for the pound yen and let's see. Okay, pound yen. Pound cat. How about pound cat? Let's take a look at pound cat. Now pound cat looks more promising to sell. Am I right? Okay, so but we also need to take note about this area here. Okay, so tentatively we are still trying to break out of this support. Okay, so this is, oh my god, this has been retested. Pound cat looks like it started to get retested into this area here from the opening. Okay, today's opening, and over at this point, this level here, I'm looking into this. Oh, there's a selling opportunity there. Okay, but this is about 11 pips of space. There's still about 11 pips of space there. Yep. About 11 pips of space. Okay. Yes. I'm in Melbourne. Can we meet up? I'm not in Melbourne now. When I was in Melbourne, you were not there, huh? Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to get it back. Okay. So if you can hear me singing, let me know, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle, all the night. Then the traveler in the dark, thanks to... Yeah, okay. Oh, I think you can hear me, สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับกินข้าวเดียวไหมสบายดีไหมนะ Okay, I'm looking at how cat now. I'm back, guys. I can hear myself singing now. Okay, right now, okay, how cat. How can we swing, now the swing is downwards. Pound cat, we have a good entry here. Pound cat, we have good entry here. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. Let's see, it's very nice for the pound cat. I'm looking for about 11 pips just now from there. So now I think we are left with about 8 pips. Okay, pound cat. Yeah, the selling is here now. I am looking into this area of support. Okay, about 167.892. All right, just having per milk tea. Oh, hey guys, pound cat. We have one good pound cat here. Okay, one good pound cat over here. Right. One good pound over here. Hi, MK. Alright, nice. Okay, we only have about, we are left with about 7 pips, 7, 8 pips, about 6 pips. Okay. Yep. Let's see, will it actually go down to my area here? Okay, 167,892. This will be my target for the TP. Just nice, that's a good one for the scalping here. Okay. Yeah, so one round here. Okay, and swing up again here. Right. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. Powcat still pushing. Right, still going good. Well, get some. Let's see for the Powcat. Okay. Hi CK. Nice to see you here. Right, okay, over here. Currently we are at 167951 entry. If there's one good one should be here, looking into this area here. 168.80, 8. It should be about 12 to 13 pips. Okay. Yes, Sabrina, pound dollar. Pound dollar. Oh yeah, okay. Pound dollar looks good also. Let's see. Pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar also looking good. Coming soon. Getting there very soon. Yeah. Oh, pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. We are about pound dollar may about 6 pips only, unless it will create a lower low. Okay. Unless it's going for a lower low. Okay. Powcat coming back here. Powcat 167,945 now. Okay, still looking good. Yeah, still looking good. All right. Powcat, huh? Powcat is still there. Okay. One push down. Let's see. We have about 7 minutes to go. We still have 7 minutes to go. Okay. The London opening. Aha. Aha. Okay. Let's wait. Let's see. Right. This area here. I'm trying to fight back there, huh? Okay. If let's say if the Powcat over at this point here, it is actually breaking through this, then we should be looking out into this support here. So in total, it should be about a 24, 25 pips, 24 to 25 pips there. Okay. Well, let's see. Pound dollar once again, come back here. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Dollar. Yeah. Okay. So some also reclaim. Okay. Some for pound dollar. I guess 1, 2, 3. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay. Let's see. Okay, pound dollar still quite okay. Yeah. But the thing for pound dollar is that I don't see I see that one here. This area here is a bit challenging here. Although we have about 16 pips, 1/6. Okay, so just be very careful. Okay, if you have entered for pound dollar. Okay, yeah. Right. Pound cat. Okay. Wow, pound cat. Pound cat coming back here to test into this area here. Okay, so just hang on first. It's still quite okay. We're back into the entry here. Right. So over this pound cat. I see that's still quite okay. 1, 4. Okay. Right. Yes, Joshi boy in the GC. Okay. Well, alright. For pound cat over here, let's wait for a while. Okay, let's see. Right, pound dollar. Let's see the nearest one, the closest one. Looks like okay, for the pound dollar, the closest one, the resistance should be here. We are looking into this area here. Now it's pulling up out with about 10 pips of space if this hits into the resistance here. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, it's fine drawing down a bit, but I have faith. Yeah, might be a long haul, but looks pretty bearish to me. Yep, I see that over I would say that for the pound cat, okay, selling is still highly possible. Yeah, it's still highly possible. I'm looking for it to break this area here so that we can. There's a lot of space down there. Very nice space down there to take. Okay, very nice space to take. Yeah, but it may in general, okay, I would say that probably when it comes down to this support level, it may come down to this support level, then it may start to have some turbulence here. That may goes up a bit, you know. Then you know, to look out for another round of resistance to push even lower. Okay, that means to say, over here, it may break this, then go back up again. Then it may continue to go down once again over and into this area here. Okay, quite possible. Very good chance there. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right. Okay. So, okay. I misunderstood. I thought you were saying it was already good to go. I still think it will get there though. Over here. Okay. No worries, no worries. In fact, over at this point here, this is the good entry over here. About 168.024. 168.024. But for this, I'm actually looking into this level of 167.892. It's a very quick scalp. But if you already entered, if you can monitor, if this actually breaks below, then we have a good chance to go down all the way to this area of support. Okay, it has shown that this area of support is actually pretty good to take. Okay, yeah, right. So for this one, okay, for this area here, for this here to here, okay, this area here, if it breaks above this area here, okay, if it breaks above this area here, about 168.082, okay, this is the stop area. This is a stop area. So if this breaks above, if the price breaks above 168.082, okay, we can call for this tentatively can call for a stop first. Okay, because it may have it may be going up to take the highs. Okay, these highs here. Okay, but with this entry, the risk here is about 6 pip. Okay, but the return down there, okay, the return down there, we can first scalping down over here to about 13, or it may even go to about 26. Okay, it may go even to 26. So that actually quite a low risk one. So we can just can just gauge. Okay, can monitor this. All right. Okay. Yep. So let's see how will it react. London is opening. Okay, hang on. Once London opens, there's always some some movement are going to come in. Yep. And pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar, right? Pound dollar. Okay. Yeah, pound dollar is now hitting on the support here. Will it actually breaks this area to go for a lower low? Okay, lower low. Yeah, then it will be great. Okay. Yeah, congratulations. Go TP 5 pips. Well done. Okay, good. All right. And let's see. Okay, let's see over here. Powcat. Powcat stop at this area here. Check. Okay, it's stop right at this area of support here. So if the price still maintaining below the resistance, it should still be a good one to continue the selling. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if the with the market opening, okay, will that actually have a good holding down there? All right. If there is a good holding down there, then I think that will be good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So at the moment for the pound dollar, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Well, we are at the first minute of this hour, so let's see. Let's wait for a while. Let me take a look. Okay. Right. Seems like this one. Okay. Cowboy style. Let's take a look. Okay. Okay, that's perhaps okay. That's one. Okay. Cowboy style for the goal, is it? Okay, so next to go, let's take a look at the Powcat over here. Okay. Powcat still there. Okay. relaxing the Powcat. Powcat still relaxing there. Right. Okay. Yep. Let's see how it's going to react. Okay, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Pound yen. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay. For pound yen over here. For pound yen. Oh yeah. Looks like the pound yen still need a little bit of time. This pound yen seems like it's still struggling around this area here. Okay, 173.28. 173.28, huh? Okay. Okay, still good. Okay, pound yen over here. Let's see. If 173.08 or 306, we can break this level. I see there's a good chance that we are going to test into this 36 pips of space down here. 169.957. Yeah, around there. Okay. Not yet. I don't see. Pound yen. Pound yen is actually retesting into the area here. So we are in the dilemma. We are in the dilemma. Honestly, I'm in the dilemma. Okay, honestly, okay, yeah, all right. Okay, let's take a look at Pocket. Pocket is still struggling down here. Okay, it's still struggling over here. Right. Okay, so just hang on for a little while. Okay. Yep. Okay. So hang on for a while. Let's see. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Hi TS Legal. Which templates are you using? Okay. Basically, it's our own template. Yep. Okay. Yes. All right. So you can try using EMA. All right. 201. Okay. So Pocket over here. All right. Hang on. Sorry. TS Legal. Thank you for coming in. This is the first time I see you here. Right. So for this area here. All right. For this area here, let's see if this is going to hold it down below. Right. It should be holding in between this level, between this area here. Okay. About 4 to 5 pips. Sorry. Over here. Right. So when the price comes in here, if that is going to hold below, okay, it's going to hold below. All right. Then we will be coming. If the price able to hold below 168.082, okay, it will be still looking out into coming into this level here. Okay. Then we'll see if this is able to create another lower low. Okay, because over here it's going to create one resistance here. Okay, so that the sellers can come in. Okay, so hang on first. All right. Yeah, coming back to TS Legal. Okay, so over here you can go with EMA 200 with 50. Okay, 251. I'm sorry. For a moment, I cannot remember. Oh my god. Okay. I'm sorry about that. I need to check it out. Huh? Yeah, forgotten about it. Yeah. Okay. For a moment, my mind went blank. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, but nevertheless, okay. What's important is that look at how's the market react. Okay, I think that's much more important over here. Okay, so that over here we can clearly see that what is happening in the market. Okay, that will be much easier for everybody. Okay, yep. Right. So for example, over here, I see that for the Pocket, okay, from this area, after the turbulence, the consolidation here, okay, actually we can see this one looks more like a distribution. Okay, I see that this is more like a distribution here. Okay, we are looking for one consolidation area. Okay, so over at this area here to have some accumulation. All right, for some accumulation here. So I'm looking at this area that once this now it break out of this area and is coming into form a trending market, another lower highs here, then I will see that a very good chance that it can still continue to go down for a selling. Okay, there's still a very good chance to go down for the selling over here. Okay, so let's say if this is going to break this level here, okay, then we still have some good space down there to take. Okay, so like over here, lower down to M5, right? So once it breaks this level, okay, here, right, about 167.906, the first stop will be looking into this support level here, about 17 pips there. So I have a guide there. All right, so roughly I know that we are actually heading down to this area. If the resistance here able to hold it down, okay, then we will have a good good drop over to this support. Once the price come to this support, we are expecting some retracement. So if there's some retracement down there, okay, you can choose, okay, you can choose to either exit the trade first, okay, if the price actually comes into an area, come to this support, and it started to retrace backwards with a good space once again, okay, then we can go down for another round of selling. Okay, let's say, of course, we have just planned out, okay, over here. Let's zoom in. Okay, we plan out if from just now from the price we end the entry, okay, from here to here is about 6 to 7 pips. Okay, so if this actually comes in, okay, now we are actually now into the stop area. Okay, so you may want to call for a stop. Okay, you may want to call for a stop. This will give about 6 to 8 pips of losses, but measuring down to this area here, from here to here, the first one we have 13 to about a 27, 25, 26. Okay, yeah, but unfortunately, right, for this, it's testing into this area of resistance now. Okay, once it closes below this, okay, this can be another resistance to sell down. Okay, but of course, we are now into the stop area. Okay, so if this is the stop area, Joshy boy, okay, so this may be one that we can be careful. Okay, one, you can hold it there for this area to as a resistance, this whole area here. All right, this whole area of resistance here. Two, okay, if you of course you can choose to cut the trade now. Okay, two, you of course can choose to cut the trade now. Okay, if not, you can wait for the candle to close, okay, to see if this area able to hold it down. If this area able to hold it down, then yeah, then we can continue to hold it. Okay, right? Yeah, for the goal wise, 1995 to 1996. Okay, 1995 to 1996. Okay, let's take a look. 1995 to 1996. Okay, so this area here, 95 to 96. Okay, 95 to 96. This area here. Okay. Yeah, quite possible, but I see that the support has been tested over into this area here. Okay, 1988 has been taken out, so let's see. We are tested into the support, which is not breaking yet. Okay, for this one, okay, I see there may be a good chance that it will still go on for 1990. 2001. Maybe a good chance of 2001. 2001. Wow, that is quite a big one. Okay, that can be quite a big one. Okay, yeah, that can be a big one. Okay, yeah, yeah. Right. That can be quite a big one. I mean, personally, I see a 2001. Okay, let me check. 2001 maybe, yeah, may take a while. Yeah, may take a while. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's where the 50 EMA is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. GC is down again. GC. Pound cat, right? Okay. Let's take a look. Okay. So pound cat. Okay. So over here, like we mentioned just now. Okay. So it's tested onto this. Seems like this rejection is quite strong. Pretty good rejections over here. Right, then we still need to take note, okay, because the price is still staying within this stop area. Okay, we are still staying in the stop area. Right, so it can still be, we have to wait for this to close and see how it goes. If this actually, it tested into this area and got rejected down, and it fall into this area of resistance, then it will be good. If it's going to close below, I think the next candle to go down, I think highly possible. Okay, still highly possible. Okay, yeah. Okay, so can just hang on for a while for the pound cat again. Right, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Yep, pound dollar. Okay, it has tested into the support here, setting up the support over here to. Okay, this is logical. Okay, this is reasonable and this is logical. Okay, yep. All right, Joshy boy. Yes, I will keep my eyes on it too. Okay, so let's see pound cat. Pound cat looks good. Okay, because tentatively it got rejected down and closed below the resistance. It's still closing down below the resistance area. I think that's pretty good. Okay, yeah. Alright, no stress. Very good. Well done. Okay. For you, I think no stress because you are a very experienced trader, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, today's Wednesday, huh? Okay, today is Wednesday. Yeah, I thought of is it a day? Is it a day that we can start drinking? Water. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it's still testing on it. Okay. It's still well, let's see. Okay, let's hang on there for a while. Any day. Any day, alright. Well, okay, that's interesting. Barley soup, huh? Barley soup, yeah. Barley soup. Yeah. Okay, let's see. It looks like it's still testing into that resistance once again. Let's see. Okay. I'm actually waiting. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for one more round of downside here to test into this area. Another downside here. If this downside actually comes in and it really stop here again, okay, then we have to exit the trade. Okay, right. That shows that the resistance only good enough to test the support. You get what I mean? It's not good enough to break the support. Okay, so yeah, so if the price comes in here, okay, this will be one area that we need to be a little bit tactful. Okay, about 167943, 167943. Okay, if the price, if the price is going to come in down back here again, let's say from here come back here again. Okay, let's say doing this way, coming back here again, then we just need to be a little bit careful. Okay, we're a little bit careful, right? But generally it should be still going down to take this. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, so 2 more minutes. We have 2 more minutes. Pound cat, the stop area is very small comparing to those. If I'm going to close the trade here, I will be making a loss of 7 pips. 7 pips, yeah. Okay, let me see. 7 pips from here to here. Yeah, about 7-8 pips. Yes, okay. Like you say, the profit should be so right now. Even now with the losses here, am I still able to stomach it? Is it still good to hold it? Oh, okay. Is it still good to hold on to it? Okay. You can assess. Okay, you can assess the situation here. All right. Your entry is here. Correct. Your entry is here. Correct. Your entry is here. So you are currently going for currently you are on the losing trade of our 7 pips, am I right? Okay. So let's say, okay, when we are talking about stop, okay, always assess the situation. Let's say we are selling, am I right? We are selling. So first of all, the price still hovering around our resistance? If so, that means to say the testing of the testing to break the resistance is still there. It's not breaking yet. Okay. Next, the next higher resistance. This is the next higher resistance. Am I right? Okay. This area to this area. So if this is still able to hold it, then I think that is still okay if the price is still within this area. If you think that this area of a number of pips here, that means about 10 pips, is still good to hold, then you can still hold it. All right. But however, if this is going to break above, okay, and with a support forming up, okay, example support like this area like that, okay, green candle, all this support, okay, then I think it will be good to exit the trade, okay, because it's actually giving you a theory that is actually giving you a higher support or a higher lows, okay, to push for a higher high, correct? So it will be good to exit the trade. But currently, okay, based on current situation, you can see, right? You can see that at this for this case, okay, we are still hovering around this region of resistance. Okay, this region of resistance here. So if the closing is not breaking out, there's no setting out of any support, I will still be holding it as long as it's still in the region here. Okay, as long as it's still in the region. Okay, so for this trade in this case, okay, we can see that the resistance here, okay, with the resistance here, actually they are very near. They are very nearby. Okay, so to go for a long trade, these buyers have to go through a lot of obstacle. Correct? You get what I mean? You have to go through a lot of obstacle. So by going through a lot of obstacle, is also showing that the buyers may get exhausted once after some time. So the seller may comes in to take the advantage downwards to search for a support area, which I see is in this area, right? So that it will set up the support nicely, then it will goes up. Example like pound dollar, okay, over here like this. Okay, initially it was here, then it went up. Okay, it hits on the resistance, it came down to look for the support, set up the support nicely. Okay, it hits set up the support nicely, so it goes up. So currently in Poundcat, we are only in this stage here. We are still here. Okay, so let's take a look. Poundcat. Okay, we are only this stage here. So there may be a good chance that it will still come back here, test into this level. Okay, it will still have a good chance to test into this level. Alright, the next thing I will be looking out is when it comes to the key levels here, there's a lot of rejections candle. You can see there's a lot of rejections here. Okay, it's also showing me that there's a good chance. Okay, there's a good chance that sellers are actually coming in very soon. You get what I mean? Okay, right? Okay. Yeah. What's next? Okay, we have a question here. I think this question is not for me, it's for Carlo. What is barley soup? Why you guys are so excited when you talk about the barley soup? Barley soup is I think it's commonly found in Asia. Okay, it's something white color, like a sprout. Okay, and Asian, Chinese, they always say heatiness. So you drink barley soup, it can keep your body cool down, Yeah. Okay. Yeah, when you go to any TCM or Chinese physicians, okay, whatever disease you have, you are always suffering from heatiness. Okay, 你发热, they say they call it 发热. Ha ha ha, it's a beer. Okay, Carol replied, it's a beer. Okay, yeah. Alright, so... Okay. Okay, so... Yeah, in Asia is okay, it's something like I don't know how to describe it. Okay, anyway. Yeah, they always say that when you have sore throat, you know, okay, you have if you have sore throat, you gotta take some barley soup. If you have fever, you take some barley soup. Okay, if you have diarrhea, you take some barley soup. Whatever barley soup. Okay, nice, nice drafted cool. Like okay, barley soup. Yep. Okay, let's come back. Pow cat. Let's come back. Pow cat. Where are we now? Powcat. Okay, are we in Powcat? Yes, we're in Powcat over here. So just now, earlier on, we were talking about this area, right? Okay, so this area here, you can see there's a lot of rejections. Okay, so we are still staying in the region. So now the candle comes in. Okay, guys, Joshy boy. Okay, those who have entered, take note of this area here. All right, take note of this area. Okay, GJTP, nice. Congratulations, CK. GJTP, okay. GJ, okay, so take note of this area here. Okay, 167,946. Right, if this is going to stop here with the next candle open with a green candle up there, you may want to consider to close with some profit. Okay, unless it close below the price. Unless it close below the price. Okay. Right, for Pound Yen, let's take a look. Oh, Pound Yen. Wow, same thing. There's one very nice rejections here. Okay, very good. CK, very nice. Well done, well done. Okay, good catch for this. All right, good catch. Okay. Okay, over here. Then it should be looking out for this area 49 pips. About 49 pips. Yeah, okay. So looks good. Okay. Let's come back here, Powcat. Hey, is Powcat moving? Am I stuck? Am I stuck somewhere? No, right? Okay, so... I don't know, it looks like I'm stuck. It looks like I'm stuck. I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's moving, Okay. So currently the movement here is just like a pound dollar is for example, okay, over here. Right, so it's actually coming down here, so it may comes in for the support, then it may go up and test the resistance. Okay, so over here you may consider if the price is going to stop here, all right, about 167. As long as you get the concept, the price may differ a bit because we are using a different liquidity provider. Okay, provider. What the hell? Okay, provider. Okay, so 167,947, 167,947. All right, if the price is going to stop here and set up a support, okay, you can choose to exit the trade, or right, if this is going to go close below, okay, you can continue to hold the trade. Okay, your call. Right, it's your call. Okay, I hope I'm not going too fast. So I'm actually looking into 167,895, 167,895. This is one possible one. The first stage. After that, it may still going down to 167,750. Okay, right. Copy that. Okay, thank you, Joshy boy. Right. Okay, so just hang on. All right. Okay, so pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Right. Pound dollar. It broke this support. So I'm not going to take this. I'm going to look at this. Pound dollar. Okay. Right. And here. Okay. Right. And let's see. One here. If this is going to retest this level. GUTP Bradley, congratulations. Well done. Okay. Very good. Okay, so after this one, after I'm going to see if this is going to test into this, and then we may have another round. Okay, we may have another round. Let's see where's the next round I'm looking at. Wow, this is the support. If 124.369, if this is going to break, wow, this is going to be a happy one. I'm going to have a 45 pips down there. Okay, I'm going to take 123.949, huh? 123. If this support is going to break, if this is okay, if the support cannot hold, then it will be good. Okay, Powcat, let's take a look. Powcat, oh, congratulations by looking at this. Powcat, GC still waiting. Bradley, huh? Okay. Okay, so we are going up a bit. We are going up. The retracement is coming up to this level. 168. 168.056. Then I think there will be another push down. Okay, there will be another push down. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. When Carol say oh yeah, the goal is something there. Let's see. The goal? No, nothing. I thought the goal is something, huh? Something happening coming. One. I think the goal is coming for a selling soon. Let me see. 1, 2. Coming for a selling soon for the goal. Okay, Powcat, let's take a look. Powcat. Okay, Joshy boy, Bradley, Joshy boy, Bradley, for your Powcat. Take note, we are at this level and we are not closing yet. Looks good. Okay, a little bit more, just a little bit more. Okay. Joshy boy is back in the green, baby. Yeah. Okay. We shall turn the green baby into blue baby. Positive figure in the history, huh? In the history border. Okay, I'll leave this one. I'll leave this one open for now. Okay. I see red. Okay, happy days. Right. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Yep. For the Powcat, okay. Only going for 10 cheeky pips. Okay. Let's say here we have 24, 22. I think it's good enough. Yeah. I think that is good enough. 10 pips. 10 pips looks pretty safe. 10 pips look pretty safe. Okay. But I think because of the trading hours, we need a little bit of time. Okay, we need a little bit of time. Okay, so over here, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this level here. There may be some pullback. There may be some pullback. Okay, there may be some pullback. Touches this level, then it will start to swing back again. Okay, but once again, do remember to assess the situations. Okay, do remember to assess the situation. Okay, remember to assess the situation over here. All right. Okay. Hey, sorry. Okay, we need to have we need to assess the situation because there's some rejections here as well. Okay, so the rejections from the resistance showing the resistance is coming in. Sellers are coming in, am I right? So if there's some rejections from the support, buyers are coming in as well. Okay, so this is something also we need to pay attention to. Okay, we cannot just hold blindly when when we see green, huh? Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. So that's one point also. That's one point to take note as well. Okay. Right. Okay. So hang on. Right. Okay. So you see, guys. Right. As you can see, price stop here. The price stop here. Okay. Let me tell you the number one, you can choose to close the trade if you have some profits. Number two, you can wait for it to test into this area here. This is one level, around this level. Around this level. Okay, around this level. If this level, okay, it will come back here, then it will continue the selling. You're going to test this level again. Okay, right. Alternatively, of course, if breaks below, it will be the best. Okay, if it continue to break below, it will be the best. Okay, we still have a little bit. Seems like they are still testing very hard. They are still testing very hard to break this support. Okay, then we can continue to go down. Okay, all right. Okay. If only I can read the chart like you. You can. Everyone can. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Okay, looks like we are still testing into this. No rejection, please. One full candle. We're going to push below. Oh, yes, that's nice. Okay, congratulations. Yes, let's go, let's go. Okay, well done, well done. Good job, good job. Continue, continue. Okay, that's very good, that's very good. All right. Let's see, let's see. Come on, let's go, let's go. There's a little bit more to go. Okay, we are a little bit more to go. That we are going to take this 167,893, then down to 167,750. Okay, about there, about there. 167,741. Okay, 167,741. Okay. Yep. That's a little bit to go only. Just a little bit to go, and it started to become rejections. If the rejections, well, let's see if the rejections able to, if this is able to break this area, huh? Let's see. Okay, if they are able to break the area. Okay. Is coming. Okay. You see, guys, just now we have some explanation here, right? So when it actually goes up, I'm expecting it to come back here. Okay, I'm expecting it to come back here. Okay, so this is what I expected to see. So we have the plan. We have a plan. Sometimes, okay, we know we want to set the TP down there to take this area, this area, this area. Okay, but if situation change, then we have to change our action according to the market as well. Okay, so now it's still doing good. Now it is still doing good. Okay, in this case, all right. But do remember, we should be getting ourselves emotionally ready that the support is here. Now they stop at the support level. They stop at support level. So if the next candle is going to open as a red and green candle, then it's not good, correct? Okay, So hopefully, okay, currently I'm waiting for it to close below, okay, to close below the support level. Then it will be a sign that it will still continue to go for a selling. All right, so we still have 2 minutes. No, sorry, 1 minute. We still have 1 minute. Okay, we still have 1 minute to go. All right, so just pay attention to this. All right, trader have to act according to the market. Okay, not according to what we want. Okay, not according to what we want. Okay, we can read the market in terms of like, okay, this may be a possible level, this may be the possible level. Okay, but if situation don't allows, then please don't go against it. Okay, then don't go against it. Okay, we have an M5 opened. Okay, currently there's still no green candle, so we can still hold on. We can still hold on to it. Okay, we can still hold on to it. The opening is here, right? The opening is right on the support. Okay, anytime it can still become a support. Okay, all right. Don't let your head get dizzy over this red candle. Okay, because this red candle, it is still, you can see the opening is right on the support. It's still right on the support. Okay, so hang on. No, huh? No. Okay, but we can still hold on to it. But it doesn't mean that we're going to cut it. We are going to cut the profit or whatever. Okay, there's still no returning yet. Okay, right? We can still see this way. Yeah, I understand. Master, be mindful of our situation. Yeah, that's correct. All right, unless this is going to open below, okay, below this support area, then it will be good. Okay, then that will be good. All right. Okay, well done. It's a very good learning trade from Powcat, because Powcat, yeah, tentatively it may set up the support to go up to this level. Then if this level able to hold, it may swing lower. So if you want, you can keep some profits here. Okay, let's say if the support comes in, okay, you can want to set up, you want to keep some profit here and wait for it to come again. Then you may come back and sell again at this level if that's able to hold. Okay, so that will also give you another chance for the selling as well. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, just be flexible when it comes to trading. Okay, all right. So we are now just running into 8-9 pips. 8-9 pips. Yeah, okay, about 8-9 pips. Okay. 8-9 pips. All right. Let's see. It still looks good. Okay, it's still looking good. Yeah. Okay, well done. All right, very good. Very good. We are pushing it lower. We are going for a lower low very soon. We're going for a lower low very soon. Okay. Come on, let's do it. Okay. Okay. 167. Are we there already? Here. Pretty near. 167,888. 167,888. We are very near. Okay, we are very near already. Yeah. Okay, recovered, and looks like this one. Okay, I'm going to shift this down. Looks like it's getting more and more. The bulls cannot scare me. There's only one bull that can scare me. That's Chicago Bull. Okay. uh, okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's see. We are coming in. Quite positive. Quite positive. Okay. Why is that so? It's because okay. Now let's take a look over here. Yeah, I was about to say. Okay, the support is here right now, guys. Take a look here. All right. So can you see? This is closing as a support level here. Okay, as a support level here. Now, there's one resistance here. There's one resistance level here. Not very strong, but it's there. Okay. Then the support now has a form up one over here. So over at this point here, this may be only a price print. Take note. This may be only a price print that it may continue to go lower low. Okay, it may still continue to go lower low. Okay. Okay, so you can still hang on. Okay. For now, your stop level is different. Your stop level is no longer here. Okay, your stop level is no longer here. Right, the stop level will be here. Will be here. Okay, will be here. So it should be at 167.997. Okay, why? It's because there's one resistance level here. Okay, so the stop level should be here already. So for now, okay, for now, if the price go above this level 167.997 and if set up a support, then you can exit the trade. Okay, now over here there may be a good chance that it's going to form the trending is still ongoing to go for a lower low. Okay, you can still go for a lower low. All right, then I think that will be a good it will be a good opportunity that we can see. For now, it will still go down to we are still not there yet, about 167.891. Then we can the next one will be at 167.745. Okay, right. Okay, so that's one. All right, congratulations for those who has hit this price. I'm not sure if you got your TP. Okay, right. One good one is there. All right. Okay. Yeah. Bradley, congratulations, GCTP, very good. Hi, Ellen, nice to see you here. All right, Bradley, good job, good job. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Right, do remember to smash the like button as a commission. Okay, that's a joke. No, I shouldn't use the word commission. It's so not nice. Okay. Okay, so guys, through this podcast, we are able to know where's the entry and what kind of situation that can still keep us holding on to the trade, right? And we also look at the situation that how it should be like, then which are the things that which are the factors that we should be looking out for to take, whether to cut the trade when it comes to a level of support, or maybe even like say situation that will it actually continue to break below. All right, then we will be able to assess all this. Okay, by reading all this, by reading all the movement is very very useful. Okay, to help us for that. Okay, you get what I mean? Right, so for now we have achieved 167.891. 167.891. Okay, 167.891. This is one. Okay, we are now going down to 167.75. 167.75. All right, this is where we are looking out for. Okay, 167.745. Joshi boy, are you still in the game? Right, are you still in the game? Okay, let's see. Yes, you are still in the game. Okay, so with this situation, let me do some sharing here. Okay, over at this point here, the stop level same. Okay, same for the stop level. All right, the stop level has no change. And right now we are going down to take the liquidity down there. All right, so we still have about, after taking the liquidity, okay, we still need to test the support, to set up the support. Then it will continue to go further up. Okay, then we may have another 24 pips, but now we will still have about 14 pips of space as of now. Okay, estimated, estimated. Holding for 10 pips. Okay, holding for 10. Okay, we should still have about, okay, 10 pips. So your TP price is about 67849. 67849. I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing. Okay. You still have about two to three pips to go, am I right? Leaving out the spread. Okay. Okay. Alright. Well, still looking good. Still nice. Okay, looks pretty. Still looking good. Let's see. Okay. Well, still good. About 5 pips from TP. That's okay. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to shift this down as a. You need to take note of this place here, this area here, the support here. Okay, the support here. Okay. It could be bumpy one, but this looks quite solid bearish to me. Indeed it is. Okay, I would say yes, very possible. Okay, very possible that we should be looking into 167,252. Okay, yes. Why have you selected this area? This blue like, okay. Here. This area is another area, the support area. Okay, if this is going to close above as a support, you have to run. Okay, well done, Joshi boy. GCTP, very good. Well done. All right, do you have your whiskey with you? Cheers. Yeah. Okay, very good. Hold it very nice. Okay, very good. Okay. Well done, guys. Okay. Often, most often when a person who talk about alcohol, okay, usually people like me, okay, it's also show that I'm not a good drinker. One glass, one shot, I will be down. Okay, yes. Oh my god. No, not yet. I'm sick. Alright, you're sick. Okay. My god. Please take care. Alright, please take care. Yeah, I think it's because of the weather anyway. Yeah. Yeah. I will save whiskey for Friday, huh? That's economical. Yes, economical. Exactly. One shot, I will be down. Yeah, Melbourne is freezing, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so Melbourne is freezing. Yeah. Okay, so please take care. Alright, please take care, okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay. I think today we have a very good learning experience with the Poundcat over here. So let's do some quick one. Okay, let me have a quick one. Okay, for example, okay, over here, once we got our TP, okay, and with a good learning experience here, okay, let's see something here. Just now, we have some over here, like over at this point here. Okay, when we form up the resistance for the selling. So selling point is over sharp enough to be here, right? Sharp enough to be this area here. Okay, over here. So once it actually hits into, with this only one way on the left side, there's some retracement. I will call it a retracement because there's no support being tested or being built. All right. Then it started to build, it started to build up. And we also need to know, since we are selling from the resistance, we also need to set this resistance as our stop area, So it passes through the stop area, but assessing through the situation up there, they are very near to another resistance area as well. So this area is another resistance area. As we can see from here, the prices has been rejected down from this area, correct? After some rejections, it still went back to the previous the entry resistance over here in this area. Right, so we can see that this is still, I would say that we are still in the safety zone. Okay, we are still in the safety zone. So with this candle coming in down here in the resistance area, we are still able to hold it because it came back to our initial stop area. But it's closing down into the resistance area. That means to say there's a good chance that it should be coming back to test into the support area here to see if they are able to set up the support to continue going long, going up to take the high, correct? The Asian high. So fortunately, it breaks below. Okay, it closed below, and it started to go below to show us the candle. The movement is actually going for a lower low. We can still able to hold it until our TP. We managed to take a profit here. Then after that, it hits here. Now it started to goes up. Why? Let's take a look. Is it because over into this area here, support area, it started to hold it this way, but we still have some liquidity down here to take. Initially, we were talking about this, am I right? All right. So next to go is that now we are still in the trending, a lower low, lower low, lower low, correct? And this is actually taking out some of the liquidity up here. So it's coming back to test into the resistance here, resistance area up here, right? So once again, if this is going to break above, obviously it's going to take out, it's working on to take the highs up there. However, the support into this area here, okay guys, do remember there isn't any support yet. So this may be something that's going to repeat what is happening here, right? That it will still come back down here to stop at this level. It will form a ladder A. Can you see? It's like a ladder A. So it may still come back after it hits into this area of resistance. You see, it got some rejections once again. And if it's actually coming back to sell down once again, this will be the target over here. Now this one we have 20 pips. In this area we have 20 pips. So this is like a magnet. Okay? So yeah, pay attention to that. Alright, I hope this sharing is good enough for you. Okay? Right. Well, 中文的哈，说中文的好不好？ 说中文的话呢，我们这里这样看啊，刚才我们在这里啊，从这里看齐的时候呢，我们这里呢有一个进场点，对不对？这个压力出现的时候，这个进场点的出现。但是重点呢，这个来到这里的时候呢，你看到它在这一段，它开始弹回去啊，这个不叫支撑，这种叫做小回调而已啊。然后小回调的时候，这里一般呢，这个压力位置就是一个止损的一个空间嘛，一个止损的地方。如果这个止损的地方呢能被突破的话呢，我们就要准备止损了啊。所以呢，从刚才呢进场的地方呢，一直到止损的地方就7个点。但是呢，我们的目标呢是10个点到25个点，好不好？是10个点到25个点 ，OK。那么呢，在这里的话呢，我们呢可以想得到，就是说我们亏损就亏差不多7、8个点。可是如果它真的往下跌下我们的目的地的话呢，我们有很大的机会可以得到将近25个点，好不好 ？OK。可是呢，当然情况不妙。它突破一点上去的时候呢，我们也可以再按照这个分析市场的这个情况，这里的压力呢也存在。那当它达到这个压力的时候，它开始一直被反击回来的时候呢，这里呢把蜡烛价位呢就推回去了这个压力位置，好不好？就推回了这个压力位置，这个压力位置里面呢。它进入回了我们之前的压力位置了，所以呢，很大机会它是要回到我们的支撑位置来尝试建立一个支撑或者来突破。所以呢，在这个过程里面呢，我们都可以知道说它的去向要去哪里了，好不好？所以当然呢，当它开始在往下跌的时候呢，我们已经看到了就是之前的一个支撑位置嘛，就是这范围的支撑位置里面，我们已经看到这个支撑位置里面的时候，我们很清楚知道。它要回到这个位置，所以当它回到这个价位的时候呢，你看，当我们得到盈利以后，它就马上回调了，好不好？所以当你在做单子的时候呢，你一般在你进场的时候，你要先把空间算好来，计算好。OK， 如果空间只有15个点，你不可能去拿150个点，那是太夸张了。OK， 得不到的，这个不切实际，好不好？所以交易就是要懂得找这些东西，这样的话呢，你交易起来的时候就比较顺手哈。OK，Alright， so yep, once again, congratulations, Go TP Caro, congratulations, very good, wow, nice. OK， 恭喜你。No, sorry, not 恭喜你 congratulations. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, yep. So, well, that's good. Okay, fantastic. It's good enough to know all these little tricks in forex trading as in my experience. Okay, right. So, yep. Okay, yes, and once again over here, yes. Yeah, congratulations. Your tweet has more than 1,000 messages. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I think there's many people out there also. Okay. Yeah, getting a GC profit, huh? Okay, congratulations out there. Okay, yeah. Apart from my YouTube channel, huh? Okay, yeah. Let's go. Okay, let's take a look at the goal. Are we going for the selling or the buying? Selling down. Oh. Selling down to take this area, then we may go for another buying. Okay. I think that's nice. Right, I think that's pretty nice. Caro, I have this point here. This area 1990. This area here, I think this is quite a now the structure is out. I see that it's like quite a important point to look out for. Okay, it's an important point to look out for over here. Okay, can you see I have a red dot here? Okay, this area here. Okay, this area here. So it should be around 1990-56. 1990-56. So this area, once it break above, it will start to go by. I think it will start to go by, huh? Okay, so this one. So 2001. Okay. So 1990. Okay, yeah. So I think I will break above, set up, then go above. Okay, so I think that is quite possible. That's one of the possibilities there. Okay, all right. So time flies. Okay, guys, thank you so much for staying here with me. I will have to go. Okay, so I shall wish you good luck in your New York session, and also trading once again. Come again, then it's crazy day for gold. I can't see clearly where the price is going. Better not to trade now. Wait a bit. Yeah, I think I'll wait for H4 opening. Okay, wait for H4 opening. Okay. All right. Okay, so yep, thank you guys. Thank you so much. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I would like to thank you for really accommodating with my bandwidth. Today I have a little hiccups. Okay, but thank you so much to stay here with me. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the same time. At the same time, smash the like button for me. All right. Thank you so much. And Joshy boy, please rest more. Okay, tuck yourself into the warm blanket, under the warm blanket. All right. OK, thank you so much, guys. 还有就是等一下我们要在 Zoom 上课的朋友，等一下我们就一起7点钟在那边见面吧哈。OK。All right, thank you so much, and I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.